In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Zoho Books with our comprehensive guide for 2025. This tutorial is perfect for those who need to adjust their subscription plan to better meet their current needs, whether for budgeting reasons or simply because of changing business requirements. We'll navigate through each step together, ensuring you feel confident in making these changes by the end of this video. First things first. Let's head over to Zoho Books. You'll need to log into your account to begin the process. Once you've successfully logged in, your journey starts at the Zoho Books home page. From here, we're going to need to locate and click on the dashboard link. This will lead us to the next screen where all the magic happens. Your dashboard is essentially the central hub of Zoho Books, giving you a snapshot of your financial activities, but today, our focus is on managing our subscription. In this dashboard view, keep an eye out for a particular section that stands out. I've referred to it as a highlight. Caught it yet? This highlighted area is typically prominent and easy to find if you look around the interface, a helpful reminder to ensure everything is going smoothly. Once you've located it, it should guide you naturally to the settings needed for the next step. Now, take your attention over to the settings. It's located conveniently near your account or profile menu. Here, you'll want to find and click on Manage Subscription. This is where adjustments to your plan occur. It might feel daunting to navigate, but Zoho Books ensures this section is simplified and user-friendly for everyone, regardless of technical skills. After you've clicked Manage Subscription, you're directed to a page detailing various plans available. This is where we can make the switch to a different plan by downgrading. For those wondering if reducing your service level will impact your business operations, these changes can often be adjusted again later if your needs shift. So choose wisely, but know that nothing is permanent. Finally, you'll be greeted by an option to subscribe to Zoho Books in 4 easy steps, which is intended for plan changes, including downgrading. This well laid out user flow ensures you confirm, review, and finalize decisions without hassle. By following these steps carefully, you can adjust your subscription, fitting both your budget and business needs. I hope this guide has made it clear and easy for you to change your Zoho Books plan. If you have any further questions or require more aid, remember that Zoho's customer support is just a click away. Thank you for watching, and good luck with managing your finances more effectively on Zoho Books.